Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The lecture today is particularly designed for IELTS students who actually feel difficulties in their spoken. And it's similarly for the general speakers, English loving speaker, that they could get the benefit of this. I think it will have 2 or 3 episodes. But today the first episode is equally important. I see you will see it. You will involve with me. Should we start?
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you. So here we find there is written. You can see I'm fond of fish and chips. So here you find that this one is actually written there. And when a native speaker speaks like this, how shall he or she will speak this one? We shall see, I'm fond of fish and chips. So here you find that there is some difference between these two. The person who is speaking actually using right? And fond of fish and chips. So we shall see that there we find that here particularly we find that it's a matter of strong and weak forms we are going to study today, right, inshallah. And the second sentence which I have chosen for you, that's the man will open the door. Another person when say these sentences will have its 6 syllables. The man will open the door. But when a speaker says, native speaker says, he or she doesn't use these all 6 syllables. What is then? Here we see the man will open the door. Here we find that there are only 3 syllables which are basically stressed. And you find that I have written these in the very short words, very small words. So we shall see why I have written this small. If we see this, the man will open the door. So here we find that it is not 6 syllables, it is 3 syllables actually. So the 2 important things which we are going to study today is strong and weak forms and syllables, stress of syllables. They are very important that if we take care of them, we can speak very fluently, nicely and good way. And the real way of English pronunciation as well. Now we see what are strong and weak forms, because they are the very base. And one thing a few students know that weak forms, they are used 95% in fluent talks. 95%, you can well imagine. And you can well imagine that only 5% strong forms. What happens with us that we normally teach in our schools and colleges a simple strong forms. So all students, they are used to speak strong forms. We have to change it now naturally, because if we want to communicate internationally, we will have to change ourselves. Well, we see I am what? You are not speaking along. I am. Everybody? Yes. How will you make it short? It's one finger should come out. Not speaking well. Again? Yes. Up is We should not say It should not prolong the sound. Very good. Next, we are. What do we say this one in the weak form? We are. Quickly, please do it. Yes, you will do practice and then you will learn it properly. Yeah. We are. You are. They are. Nice. That's good. He is. Everybody? His. What? His. What? His. Shiz. But here you will have to remember one thing, that this It represents the both is and has. What? Is and has. He is and he has. For both, they are, that is same weak form. And same is with she's. What? She's. She is and she has. You will see that where it is, where it is as, it actually we can find them in the sentence easily. Now, by doing these holes, I'll. Everybody? I'll. Quick, be quick. I'll. Will. You'll. They'll. So this is all sound, right? Shall. Well, this we normally say was, and whenever we utilize, we say very strong form was. But this is what? Strong form. This is what? Strong form. And how we shall say it in weak form? Was. Please be doing like that. Good. Was. That's nice. Yes. Were. There is no sound were, as we are normally taught. Here you see this E and E. This is schwa sound. This is schwa sound. SCHWA schwa, and it gives a sound. It gives wa. What? Wa. What? So keep in your mind that all these weak forms, they actually give a normal message. What? A normal message. And whenever we use this strong form, they give a message stressing, emphasizing. We emphasize something. We want to say it prominently. So we use strong form, and it's a matter of only 5% in our daily life. Right? So where we find these, but you keep in your mind that negatives, what? They are not weak forms. Although they are here, you see that they are in the shorter form, but we don't consider them weak form. They are considered as strong forms. Considered as, can you speak them loudly? Don't. What? Don't. Say one. Don't. Won't. We don't say will not or shall not, but we say won't. Can't. Everybody. Can't. Oughtn't. Speak loudly. Oughtn't. What? Oughtn't. And mustn't. Must not what? Mustn't. So these all the things, whatever we are doing here, they will give you the base of your spoken English. Now we see syllable stress in English. What do you mean by syllable? Is there anybody to define it? आज वापी नहीं आई जो एमए इंग्लिश गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट है. She is absent today. Okay. So define it. Syllable. You can say that it is a smallest portion of sound or smallest portion of pronunciation. Smallest portion of. Now you will find that how we use them, because they are very particular whenever we are speaking with any native person. So what is the difference between them and us? Let's see. You see book. What? Can you tell me how many syllables are there? Book, it's monosyllable, one syllable, right? Here see, reading. Okay, can you guess it? How many syllables are there? Reading. Reading. Everybody? Yes. So how many syllables are there? Two. Yes, you are right. There are two syllables. So, banana, sorry, proper sound is banana. What? Can you guess how many syllables are there? Three. Are you sure? Yes. Very good. It's nice guess. You did it. 3 syllables. And information. Normally people say information. Please never say information. Now, information. We write here O, but it's spoken as I. Information. How many syllables are there? Please. Everybody. You can count with your fingers. Information. Yes. How many syllables? Yes, that's nice. Can you count the syllables in this? Vocabulary. Yeah. Okay. Yes, guess it. Are you sure? Please count first. That's nice. Vocabulary. There are 5 syllables. Actually, what happens that whenever we speak, when we listen, or whenever we try to speak English, one of the syllables is normally stressed. What did I say? One of the syllable is normally stressed. For example, you say English. What? Can you tell me how many syllables are there? Yes. How many syllables are there? 2. English. So first you stress the first. English. What? English. Now stress the second syllable. English. Which one is nice or which one is spoken? First or second? Speak please loudly. First or second? First we say English. We don't say English. So first syllable is stressed. Clear or not? Very good. Then now you see Pakistan. Please count. Count. How many syllables are there? Are you sure? Yes. Pa. Kiss. Tan. I'm very much sure that now you have got the real concept of the syllables. Am I right? Yes, sir. Yes, you are. Am I right? Yes, sir. Sound is very weak today. What's now? Tell me how many syllables are in my name, Abdul Razak. How many syllables are there? Yes, count please. Please, you should judge it now. It's very simple. How many syllables are there? 4. Please. You are IELTS students and you are going to teach them English. How many syllables are there? Any other? So, 4. How many? 4. But you should count them. Ab, dal, ra, za, k. So how many syllables are there? 5. So you should be now very clear about this one. That because these syllables are so important in our spoken English, which we normally ignore. You understand? If I normally go, मैं कहीं भी जाकर ये कहूँ, I am a professor, strong form में, और दूसरी जगह जाकर मैं कहता हूँ, I'm a professor. कोई फर्क है? Do you feel that there is difference in their meanings? आप IELTS इनके meanings में फर्क है? Do you think? या same? Same. अब बाजार आम आदमी के लिए they are very much same. I am a professor. I'm a professor. Everybody will see that. जी एक ही मतलब तो एक है इसका same. Now there is a lot of difference because now you are a language student. What did I say? Yes. I am. It is stressing. I'm emphasizing. ओए मुझे ऐसा ना बंदा you know मैं professor हूँ. I am a professor. तो क्या हर जगह पे मैं ये कहता हूँ हर बंदा ये सोचेगा क्या ये अकेले हैं? There are a lot of millions of other professors like him. So it doesn't look nice. It doesn't. Don't touch your face. It is symbol of shyness. So what did I say? It has difference. हाँ मैं बाहर जाता हूँ मुझे पुलिस वाला को रोक लेता है. वैसे कागज दिखाए. अब यहाँ पे मुझे हक बनता है कि मैं उसको अपना पूरा स्ट्रेस के साथ Don't you know I am a professor? What? Don't you know? आपके जितने ऑफिसर्स हैं वो तो मेरे स्टूडेंट हैं. अभी मेरा स्टूडेंट आया था वो यहाँ पे सजाद DIG मेरा मेरा अजीज़ भी है और मेरा स्टूडेंट है, डायरेक्ट पढ़ा मुझसे। सो मैं कहूँगा तुम्हें मुअत्तल ना करा दूँ, यू डोंट नो हाउ टू टॉक विद द पर्सन। अब यहाँ ज़रूरत है, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? मैं इंग्लैंड में जाता हूँ, दुनिया के किसी हिस्से में जाता हूँ, तो मैं जा कहता हूँ आई एम अ मुस्लिम। व्हाट डज इट लुक नाइस? डज इट लुक नाइस? नो, इट डजंट लुक नाइस। इट ये क्या मैसेज मैं दे रहा हूँ हर बंदे को? हाँ, बंदे को मुझे क्या कहना चाहिए? आमा मुस्लिम, आमा। हाँ, वो कहता है कि थोड़ा सा वाइन ले ले, थोड़ा सा ये सूर का गोश्त ले ले, तो फिर आई शुड बी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड देन आई शुड से आई एम अ मुस्लिम। आई थिंक इट्स क्लियर नाउ। Well, now and finally, right, we see how we pronounce compound sentences with a stress pattern. Well, living wrong. What? We don't say living wrong. Living wrong. We stress first or second? First. Sleeping bad. Everybody? Nice. This one? Please say loudly. That's right. This. Again. That's good. Bad tempered. You toss on. Yes. Bad tempered. Which one is actually stressed? First or second? Yes. Well known. Which one is stressed? We shall continue. This was just to open these things which we have to cover in our next lecture, inshallah. Thank you very much for your cooperation.